Hey, has anyone reached out to you lately offering you tech support? Well, you're not alone. I'm Kurt the CyberGuy, and you can follow me at cyberguy.com for all my tech updates. That's where you can also sign up for my free newsletter. These technical support scams are so sneaky as they start with a seemingly helpful hand, convincing you that your device needs fixing. Here are some common ways scammers can try to get to your personal information. A pop-up browser may appear while you're using the internet, pretending to fix a non-existing problem. You may receive a scam phone call where imposters pose as tech support representatives, or you could get a scam email containing fake error messages to deceive you into providing access or personal information. So how do you protect yourself from these malicious tech support scams? Well, never ever give remote access to your device unless you're 100% sure that it is totally legit from somebody you actually reached out to, a very reputable company. Never pay or give payment information to anyone claiming to offer tech support. Legitimate tech companies won't ask for payment in this way. If you receive a suspicious phone call, hang up immediately and block the number. If you encounter a pop-up window, close it and shut down the browser it came from. Never click on links or call any provided numbers contained in the pop-up window. If you receive a scam email, report it as spam and delete it immediately. Avoid clicking any of the links within the email. So what if you've already provided personal info to a scammer? Cease all contact with that scammer immediately. Report the incident to your local law enforcement, and if you shared any financial information, contact your bank and credit card companies right away and keep a very close eye out for any suspicious activity on any of your bank records or your credit. Contact the 3 main credit reporting agencies and place a fraud alert on your credit report. Change all your online account passwords, especially those related to sensitive information or financial accounts. Wherever possible, enable what's called 2-factor authentication on your accounts. Be vigilant with any future communication from unknown sources. Scammers may try to target you again using different tactics. Also, I recommend you use identity theft protection. There's services out there that can monitor personal information like your home title, social security number, phone number, and email addresses and alert you if it's being sold on the dark web or being used to open an account. For more ways to protect your ID online, head to cyberguy.com/identity theft. And while you're there, sign up for my free newsletter.